Stvnko, this is Ira Walker. Wanted to come and share another video with y'all. Hopefully you've been enjoying them so far. Just the different songs I've been able to share. A lot of the recordings I have are old and not real good quality. They're at least 10 years old, you know, and the technology has just come so far as the recorders on our phones and stuff like that. And I'm trying to find another one that's pretty good quality. Hopefully I can find something. But tonight I just want to come and share a song with y'all. It's called Emafvcketvn Pumafvcketvn, talking about how the joy of the Lord and our joy is never ending, and how God, He gives us joy and He brings joy to our lives. And just being able to be a Christian and follow the Lord, follow Jesus, it really is a joy whenever we truly get to know Him and truly get to know what this Christian life is about. Just want to share it with y'all and hopefully encourage you. Emafvcketvn Pumafvcketvn Meyoksasegon mekosapage toyatskare emekosabemongagatskas Emafvcketvn Pumafvcketvn Meyoksasegon Stvnko toyatskare emekosabemongagatskas Emafvcketvn Pumafvcketvn Meyoksasegon oboedage toyatskare emekosabemongagatskas Emafvcketvn Pumafvcketvn Meyoksasegon akasamage toyatskare emekosabemongagatskas Emafvcketvn Pumafvcketvn Meyoksasegon. Again, that was Emafvcketvn Pumafvcketvn, just reminding us to keep praying and that our joy is in the Lord and that it is never ending. So just keep looking to Him. I just want to say Mado for watching the video, and hopefully be able to get some more out there for you pretty soon, get some more recordings for you. But again, just want to say Mado. I'll see you next time.